Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I made this Grinch wreath and how I made this Grinch centerpiece using this free SVG file. To create the wreath, I'm using a 14-inch metal frame, some pipe cleaners, and this 21-inch Deco poly mesh. I'm going to be using the bubble technique. If you aren't familiar with that technique, I'll give you a demonstration. It's super simple. I'm going to be working on the second outer ring of the frame. So every time I tie the mesh with a pipe cleaner, it's always going to be on this outer ring. To start, scrunch the beginning of your mesh and secure it to one of the crossbars on the frame. Once you have your beginning secure, measure the mesh about 10 inches. Then scrunch the mesh close to the crossbar, creating that bubble effect. Then tie it in place with a pipe cleaner, tying the pipe cleaner around the second outer ring. It's okay if it slides a little bit. Once you have more bubbles in the section, it will start to stay in place. Here, I'll show you again. Measure about 10 inches. Scrunch the mesh close to the first bubble. Then tie it with a pipe cleaner. And just continue this method all the way around the frame. When you get to the end of the mesh, scrunch the end together and secure it in place with a pipe cleaner, similar to how I secured the beginning of the mesh. Right here, I'm just adjusting the mesh and pulling and separating the mesh from being all jumbled up. And it's so cute how it is now, and you can leave it like it is, but I'm going to add some ribbon to give it a pop of color. I'm just using some Dollar Tree ribbon. I measured and cut each ribbon about 7 inches. So here I'm just layering all the ribbon, glitter side up. Then kind of scrunch the middle all together and tie it together with a pipe cleaner. It does not have to be perfect because you can adjust it after you attach it to the wreath. I started by adding the ribbon bundle to each of the crossbars, then added one to the center of each section. Next, I'm going to use Dollar Tree ornaments and attaching them in random areas in the wreath using pipe cleaners. For the Grinch centerpiece, I'm using my Cricut to cut the base layer out of wood. I painted the wood black and let it dry somewhere while I cut the rest of the layers using HTV vinyl. I used a holographic vinyl for the hat so it looks really nice and really cool when the lights hit it. I am ironing on painted wood, so I'm using low heat to avoid ruining the black paint. Continue putting the pieces together and work slow. Once it's complete, I attached 2 pipe cleaners on the back and added some tape for extra security. Once that dries, I attach the centerpiece to the wreath. And this is the final project.